wire everything else in, and wait until you get this.
Yeah.
And like, I mean, I could fly it to you, and we can install it together. Fly back here. It doesn't
Yeah.
really matter.
Okay.
Because
got strength like towers, we got hope and power. God made woman with an iron's hand, raised her up on heaven's land. God made woman with an iron's hand, raised her up on heaven's land.
Yep.
Like leaves on the Mississippi River. Black leaves in the Mississippi.
So Alex is welding the clamps with V-band to the headers. So we're just waiting on that. So we got V-bands here, the ARP bolts, if I can grab it, and some gaskets, O2 extensions, and then we got the connecting pipes, obviously, and then we got the MSD plug wires, white band gauge. So we got the Innovate Motorsports white band. Yeah.
Like leaves on the Mississippi River. Black leaves in the Mississippi fire. Black leaves in the Mississippi choir. Black leaves on the Mississippi.
I'll wrap this thing up.
And we've got garden, we've got sons and daughters, we got grit and glory, we've got marvelous stories, we've got strength like towers, we got hope and power. God made woman with an iron's hand, raised her up on heaven's land. God made.
But you're probably used to it.
Oh, wait, now I am.
Yeah.
I've been going since 2019.
With an iron's hand, raised her up on heaven's land. With strength like towers, we've got hope and power. God made.
Like, there's quite a bit of room in between, like, this side and the steering shaft itself.
Yeah.
There's lots of room, and it's gonna pretty much just fall right down straight when I get this all unbolted. So should be pretty straight. That was easy.
Nice.
And we've got garden, we've got sons and daughters, we got grit and glory, we've got mama stories, we've got strength like towers, we got hope and power. God made woman with iron hand, raised her up on heaven's land. God made woman with an iron hand, raised her up on heaven's land. With strength like towers, we got hope.
He told me, he's like, you literally gotta film everything.
Yeah. So the 1 second you didn't film, something happened.
Yep. Just like yesterday, how my buddy lost control.
Yep.
And he stopped filming. Hope it works the other day.
So what does it do exactly? It just
It's expanding the pipe.
okay. Nice.
Instead of doing like a traditional like input style with like a couple collars, and it would just expand like that. That's what these are.
Right.
This is just a cone that kind of you press in and it expands it. So
Okay.
a little different way.
Nice.
Same thing. We'll put the O2 up on an angle facing the transmission.
Okay.
So it'll be like right about here.
Yep.
I mean, you can't go this way though, or this way, because it collects water.
Right.
You gotta have it at certain angles to where it can sniff the exhaust.
Okay. I just a little bit of update here. The headers are bumped in. Alex just cutting down the pipes. Nice. I think this is gonna conclude the video. I apologize if it's a little choppy and unorganized, but here's the final product. Texas speed headers coated, MSD plug wires, ARP bolt, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what do you want to see next. I think Alex and I are still gonna put the AFR gauge. We're just waiting for the bracket to go into the vent, the AC vent, and then we're gonna put it on, wire it, and then we're gonna go to John at BMS and he's gonna tune. But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.
Yeah.